And then they say, देखा बेचारी की शादी नहीं हुई. अरे तुमने डेट कब तक
माँ बाप की पसंद से करो.
है ना, वो तो कुंवारी रह गई बेचारी. Until she doesn't date and get to know a person, how will this poor heroine get married? देखो हमारी सब हीरोइंस बेचारी कुंवारी रह गई. अरे पर तुमने नहीं डेट.
हम इतनी ट्रेनिंग्स आपने कहीं से ली नहीं एक्टिंग की, जो वेरिएशंस कैसे देते फिर एक्टिंग में? आप इतनी फिल्म्स की, आप हर बार एक नया कैरेक्टर.
Something. The best learning experience for you ever is your own life. And what lessons life teaches you. Whether you get slapped in the face, or you get an emotional jab, or any kind of your humiliation, your embarrassment, your anger, your fury, convert it into your talent.
अगर ये चीज हमारी लाइफ में ना हुई हो, दूसरे की लाइफ से लेना है, is it good?
Well, normally, if you would like, for example, this question is thrown to us women that without having children, I've not been married when I did a film like Jago, or I did a film like Shul, where I had the thing. Now there are times, Shul, where my child dies in front of me, and there's a whole sequence. And also Ghulam-e-Mustafa, for example, when my mom dies, and I have to experience that pain. Personally, I'd never experienced that pain ever. Of either of a loss. What do you do then? Can someone answer?
You observe and learn.
Okay, observe and learn.
You can
use your
feel
memory.
the pain of if you
Of what? But it's a sad memory.
sad memory.
You don't have the memory.
Okay, sad memory. Sad memory observation. Okay, let's
If
write
you-
that. Sad memory observation.
When
Imagination.
if it's about your mother's death
Imagination,
scene, if it's about mother's death scene, then probably like it's a relationship you've lost. So
Close
if
to
you've
her.
lost somebody very close to your heart, and you could never think of losing that person.
I
So,
think here your experience.
Okay, so let's keep 3 top points. Imagination. Okay. Memories. You jog out your memories. And third was observation. So you put your hand up. Finish then after. You would put your hand up, na?
Yeah, I mean, to create the inner world for that
Okay.
by using your memory and imagination.
Okay. Now
Sad
see,
memories.
there are a lot of people who use different methods. Some of them use this whole acting thing called method acting. Okay?
Yeah.
Where, if you had to do a scene like that 2 hours before you get away from everyone and then kind of, you do that thing. I never did that. I never learned because I never learned acting. Okay? So, for me, most of these above, 3 of these above, I would not say memories because again, it's not the different emotions for different memories. If you've had an emotional heartbreak with your boyfriend, you cannot use it as a memory to cry over a dead mother scene.
Yes.
So that for me does not work. So as every individual, you have to know within yourself, and I'll tell you which is the best thing for that. Honestly, it's absolutely way out. It's meditation. Meditation, if you do 10 minutes in a day, you will know how to go within yourself. I learned this very early in the 90s. I lost a very dear friend and I had to deal with his death. And that's the first time I learned how to meditate. That meditation helped me in every scene. Because when I had to do a scene which was really intense, I had to cut out the rest of the world. I had to create that world within me. I had to bring out that pain and that sorrow that was deep within me. So like I said, it works for everyone individually. If you've had that personal experience in your life, it's very easy for you to break down. It will be very easy for you to break down. In Shul and in a lot of other movies, I never used glycerine. I used glycerine, I'll tell you, till my first 3 or 4 years. When I did Ghulam-e-Mustafa and when I did Shul and everything, somewhere something had changed within me. And I could cry automatically. If I'm standing here right now, I can just stare at you and I can have 2 big tears popping down right now. Why? Not because I'm thinking that there is something that I need to tell you. But there's something that's going within me.
Yeah.
And I'm looking deep into your eyes. And if your eyes don't tear up, I'll change my name.
It will happen.
It will.
Yeah.
Because you're going within yourself.
Hmm.
For me, everyone else is now not in this room. It's just you and me. And I'm getting goosebumps.
See,
I don't know
I
where
was
you
just
are.
about to say this. It's already here. If you
Yeah,
can't see, I don't know.
exactly. So what happened? What was this connect?
So as you grow from inside,
What is this connect?
I'm loving it, whatever it is.
So you see, it is that 2 seconds. It is that 2 seconds of controlling yourself. So how do you control yourself? You cut away everything. And this is something that I feel only meditation can teach you, to go within yourself. This is a little spiritual high funda.
Yeah.
It might not be taught in acting classes, but this is what helped me to reach out within myself. The most innermost pain that I wanted to, if there was a scene like that. But every situation, every individual is different. I was a spontaneous person. I can spontaneously do something now. I don't need to lock myself away 2 hours in a room and say, oh, now I have to focus on this only, and then only I will be in that mood. I will talk to you like that only, and I will, doesn't work that way.
Yeah.
Veena ji, one
You
thing
have to switch on and switch off.
Like in today's time, actors are working on one film and they are casting directors giving them workshop. Even the top actors, they're working on that. But when you were working on 10 films or like a 6-7 films together, so wasn't there ever like you felt
It
yeah,
was
yes,
damn
yes,
easy. Because when I did those 30 films together, I was playing only one role, rich spoiled brat. Very easy. No stress.
only outfits on
Rich,
the
rich spoiled brat
That was so cute.
falls in love with poor boy. Daddy wants to shoot, stand in front of camera and say, "Nahi, ye goli mere paas jayegi." That's all. I made that positive shift after a while when I intentionally started signing films like a Ghulam-e-Mustafa, a Shoot, a
Aks.
Samta, Aks. That's when I was like, oh my god, what am I doing? Why am I only stuck doing this kind of? I'm going to challenge myself as an actor. What I can do, what are my limitations?
everybody
Where do I
loved you
go?
that time also.
I know, and I loved it. I loved it. Doing it.
Ravina ji, you've also done a lot of good work. I follow you. You do a lot of things to spread happiness, and you've been part of many things. And I'd be very lucky for that.
I like this guy. I really love you. तू रोज मेरे हर एक इवेंट पे आया तुरंत में एक जगह ढूंढ के बैठा कर और बस मेरी राय पे किया कर How sweet. Thank you so much. It's really nice. Yes, yeah.
He's come out.
He's a wonderful cook. He's got us Harry also.
I love this guy.
Even when you had a small gap, between Buddha Hoga,
You know I love you, my baby.
no, like nobody really, knew nothing, but we still watch, Mora, Khiladi, Andaz Apna to God knows how many times. But I'd say nobody
काश
cares.
वो टाइम पे सबने इतनी बार देखा
Do you know Andaz Apna Apna didn't work the first time? Now it's gone on
Yeah.
to a cult.
Yeah.
I read about it and I couldn't believe it because, I keep watching it on loop and my mother said, ये picture क्यों देखते रहते हो तुम?
मेरी पिक्चर के लिए टोका
तुम अपने मम्मी को हर टाइम एक्सपोज करते हो
Subscribe to the Rock Vidya YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates.